Hello everyone. In the previous video, we created the condition builder for the set 1 entry. Now in today's video, we're going to add the positions as well as the set exit. Now before we add the positions, since we are building it for a list of stock, we'll select the list here. So we'll select Nifty 50 here, and then in the position builder, we'll just click on add. Now since we select the list at top, the type, that is stock, and the list is synced by default. Now all we need to change is the product type and the quantity. If you want CNC or MIS, it's up to you. We'll select MIS for intraday and we'll put quantity as 1 and click on add. Now the position has been added here. So whenever the condition is satisfied for any particular stock, one quantity of that stock will be added. Now one thing to notice, let's say you're working on a list of let's say futures and options. So let's take for an example FN. So if you click on edit here, the type we can change, that is futures put call. And one thing to notice, whenever you're selecting futures or options, you cannot select quantity. You'll have to select lots because futures and options are traded in multiples of lots. And if you're selecting for a list of stocks, the expiry has to be current month because there is no weekly expiry for stock options. This is one thing to keep in mind. Now for our strategy, we just go back to Nifty 50 and this is the list. Now we'll also add set exit. This is the set exit for the strategy. So we'll click on add. Now before we click on add, one thing we can do is a simple trick, that is copy paste the block. So we can click on copy. It shows condition is copied in the top right corner. We can click on paste. Now we can click on edit and we can just delete the condition which you do not need. So the second and third block is not needed for exit conditions. Because the stock is already above the SMA, we only need to check what is coming below SMA or closing below SMA. So all we need to do is just change the comparator from greater than equal to less than equal. That's it. Now our set exit condition is satisfied or is completed. Now in the next video, we'll also build the end set 2. It will be a short trade instead of buy and we sell. So all you need to do is click on set 2 and the same thing will appear. The entry blocks, the exit condition will appear. Now let's say you do not get the paste option here. All you need to do is click on update at the bottom and the paste option should be visible once you click on copy. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll be building set 2. Thank you.